Many people want to speak English fluently but feel they don't have enough time. Some think they need hours of practice every day. The truth is, even 15 minutes of daily speaking practice can change your English completely. The magic is not in the amount of time, but in how regularly you do it. Speaking English for 15 minutes every day trains your mind, your mouth, and your confidence. It builds a habit that grows stronger each day. In this guide, I will explain what happens to you in the first week, first month, 3 months, and 6 months if you follow this habit. I'll also share tips and a 15-minute plan so you can start right away. Should you practice for 15 minutes daily? Yes, even 15 minutes of daily English speaking practice can make a big difference. It may sound small, but consistency is more important than long hours. 15 minutes every day trains your brain to think and speak in English regularly. What kind of practice should you do in those 15 minutes? 1. Reading aloud 5 minutes. Take a short English text, like a news article, story, or dialogue, and read it aloud clearly. This will improve your pronunciation, clarity, and sentence rhythm. 2. Listening 5 minutes. Listen to a short English audio like a podcast clip, YouTube video, or news segment. Pay attention to how words are pronounced and how sentences are formed. Listening improves your understanding and helps you use natural expressions. 3. Shadowing 5 minutes. Choose an English audio and try to speak along with it at the same time, imitating the speaker. This technique trains your mouth and brain to match native-like speed and tone. After 1 week, in just 1 week, you will notice that you are not as shy or nervous as before when speaking English. Your tongue and mouth will start getting used to English sounds. Reading aloud will make your pronunciation clearer day by day. After 1 month. By the end of 1 month, you will start forming sentences in English faster. You will depend less on translating from your native language. Listening will improve so much that you will understand simple English conversations without much effort. Shadowing will make your tone and speed closer to natural English. After 3 months. After 3 months, you will feel confident starting conversations in English without fear. Your fluency will increase because speaking daily will make English automatic for you. You will make fewer grammar mistakes because you will hear and speak correct patterns every day. Your vocabulary will grow naturally without heavy memorization. After 6 months. After 6 months, English will no longer feel like a foreign language. It will feel like a second habit. You will be able to express your thoughts in English as easily as in your mother tongue. You will speak fluently, understand fast conversations, and reply without long pauses. People will notice your improvement and appreciate your efforts. Final motivation. Speak a little every day, and in a few months, you will surprise yourself with your progress.